Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove or delete a channel in WhatsApp. Alright, so let's begin. Note that I have already installed WhatsApp on my mobile device. In case you have not, do install it right now and log into your account. Well, these are the chats. In my case, I had already created a channel and right now I want to delete it. So let's begin. Right here at the bottom, there are many options like chats, updates, communities, and everything. Simply click on updates and you'll see something like this. Right here is the channel that I previously created named Professor Channel. I'm simply going to click on it and something like this will open up. Note that you can share the channel link in the description and share the channel to your status. Now let's simply look at how to delete this channel. At the top right, you have the three dots. Simply click on it and something like this will open up. While you can share it from here, look at the channel settings. But right now, let's simply click on channel info. From here, you can look at the channel info, you can add descriptions, and you can forward it and share it as well. Simply scroll down till you find something like delete channel. Here's the option right here that says delete channel. Simply click on it. Now it's going to ask for your confirmation. Simply click on delete if you want to delete your channel. And now, to delete our channel, it's asking us to confirm our country code and enter our phone number. Let's enter it right now. As you can see, I've entered my mobile number. Now, I'm simply going to click on delete. And as you can see, our channel has been deleted. So that's basically how you can remove or delete a channel in WhatsApp. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.